Hello everyone, Shanta here. Hope you guys are having again a blessed day. I am back with day 2 with Growing in Unity, where I'm showcasing their stamps. If you missed the first video, just go back. It'll be the one right before this one. All right, so my blog, everything will be linked in the description bar below. And I am super excited. So let me show you the stamp that I chose to work with on today. This is a smaller stamp. This one right here. Perfect. And when I at this recording, they had these on sale for like $3. So a little bit over $3. So I use this stamp set right here. All right. These stamps by dies by Gina Marie right here. And the main die is this die by Scrapbooking Made Simple. It's this one right here. And with these, you have to use like a bigger base like the Gemini to cut those out. And of course, I use my alcohol markers. So here is the recipe holder that I made. Yay! Love the way it turned out. I bought some new alcohol markers, so I use those to color these in. The brush, I think that's how you pronounce it, alcohol markers. So I played with those to color these in. All right. So you see the image right there. And I made a mistake on the back with the die, so I just covered it up with the box. I was trying to make it a little bit more sturdy. All right. So here it goes. Right here. And I use Velcro. Now I didn't put anything on the inside. I do have the dividers that comes with this right here, but I didn't use those this time. But this would be so cute. And you know, of course, you don't have to use this for a recipe container. You can do whatever you want, but that's what I did because I like the stamp. All right, to hold the perfect recipes. So let me know what you guys think. Like I said, please leave your comment on the blog for a chance for you to win some free Unity stamps from them. All right, you guys. So I will be back with another video. This one is extremely short and sweet. All right.